like the old school cameras, apparently. There she goes. Well, it looks like I'm going to need some paint, won't I? So, this will be fun. Fun. Really fun. Well, I don't need the ladder at this point. So I'm going to move this sheet of plywood out of the way so I can take the bottom one off. Now something tells me I can't stack this straight up and down, but I could be called a liar. Okay, so we know sheets are normally 8 by 4, so there's 8 feet, guys. Not totally straight up and down, but close. And you can now see how tall my ceilings are. That's a sheet of plywood, 8 by 4. So it's pretty much almost a 9-foot ceiling in some spots, that is. So, sorry about the shakiness of the camera. When the camera threads onto the tripod, it seems to be coming loose more often. But that's probably because it's El Cheapo. Yeah, so I'm going to move the ladder back this way, up against those plywood sheets. Well, actually, I'll do that in a minute, but hopefully you guys got enough light. You guys see back here plenty? Cool. I'm going to sit on the floor. Easiest way to do this. I thought these were going to be all Robertson, but apparently not. I must have switched over to drywall screws, which makes sense because I didn't need them that long going into the wood. I didn't need overkill because I probably would have went right through the studs and out the other side and would have been nasty. Sounds like it's raining, but I think that's the roof's settling with the heat. I have an audio signal when it gets hot out. You hear a bunch of cracking on my ceiling because there's metal and there's spray foam. And it's like, what the hell? Kind of annoying when you're trying to sleep, though. I'm gonna have to get used to these noises. Yeah, there's no point in kneeling, guys. You don't want bad knees when you're older. So just do a Indian pose on the ground if you can, and do your best to save your knees. That's what I recommend anyway. I can't get that one, it's too tight to the wall. This one is out. God bless power tools. Makes life so much faster doing this work. Easier, faster. Everything. Yeah, so I think it's going to turn out pretty well, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments there, and subscribe and stay tuned. See how I can make out with this thing. So now I gotta get a Phillips and do the rest by hand. So I'll take you guys with me for a change. You're probably sick of watching that. Whew. Go grab my, I think I have a Phillips in this tool, in the tool pantry as well. Well, you guys won't be able to see anything. Is that a Phillips? That's a Robertson. Alright. Well, we'll go over to the other one. I know there's a Phillips in that one. The head toolbox. Spin you guys around a bit. Sorry about that. Primo's heavy toolbox is here. I'll grab a Phillips out of here. Okay. Ta-da! Wonder how the wick's doing. Hopefully soaking up that oil. I'm eager to test that out and see if I can actually do a clean burn with that stuff. So I'll bring you back down here with me. And we have a couple bastards I gotta get. Since they're drywall screws, they come out pretty easy actually, so not too bad. Take longer, but this area is where I got too close to the wall, as you can see, and couldn't get in with the drill. Sometimes that happens. Then you go back to the good old hand tools. Can't really beat those when you need them. Okay. So, oh, here's one here. Holy crap. This thing gonna springboard on me or what? Oh, by the way guys, if you watched my big Dollar Tree haul the other day there, that Blu-ray movie that I got for $1.25, Hit and Run it's called, when I opened it up, inside a Blu-ray copy of the film and also a DVD copy of the film. So I couldn't believe it for $1.25. You get basically two separate movies of the thing. Plus, oh, also it had a digital copy code on there, so you can have a digital copy of the film as well. So it's like having three movies. Well, all the same movie, but three different ways to watch, basically. Pretty neat. I don't buy a lot of Blu-rays because normally I watch a movie once or twice and that's about it. And then in about 10 or 20 years when I forget all about it, I go back and watch it again maybe. If there's nothing on. That's normally the case in the summertime. God. Total trash. You think they would have a DC show on in the summertime that only airs in the summer? Because you'd have like massive ratings, but apparently, because believe it or not, there's a lot of people out of work, and they know they shouldn't be watching TV, but in most cases that's the way it is. Alright, so I believe all the screws are out. Yes, sir. Alright, so now I will put that sheet. Weird, I smell paint. Really weird. God, I hope there's no paint back there. So what I gotta do is carefully get this piece of plywood up like the other one. How is that possible? Wow, that's weird. The paint, guys, that I was smelling is here. It's tacky still. That's almost impossible because that's been so long since I painted. I don't understand that. Weird. So here's in behind my storage wall, guys, if you get to see. So here's my Mr. Buddy heaters, which would have been really nice when I slept over in the blizzard. Here's a fan. Here's a bunch of 2-liter bottles. Fireplace parts. More fireplace parts. And some other stuff I gotta open up and see what's in there. So let's do that. I will move the ladder up against the plywood so the plywood sheets don't move and kill anybody like myself. Whew. Fun. And then I'll get rid of the screwdriver and screws before I make a mess of that. There we go. Alright. Mr. Buddy, Baby Buddy, and Big Buddy. Yeah. Good backups. I need to buy those little green propane tanks for those things. Have to find a good place for those. Yeah, I'll just take everything out of here for now. Oh, here's something I bought and never used yet. Curtain rod. I think this was from the dollar store, $1.50. Good stuff. Here's some extra chimney vent. LED lights, instruction manuals. Oh, all my books for the bookshelf that I haven't done up yet. Oh, here's the wooden painting stick that attaches to a roller, which came in handy. That was a good buy. Oh, here's some blackout curtains that I haven't used yet. The fan that was originally for my redneck air conditioner, which I will downsize from to USB fans. This little guy, however, needs a good cleaning and will probably be still used in the tiny house on the hot days. And then a shitload of Shasta or 2-liter bottles, which I'm going to take the caps off of so I don't hear all that crackling, popping garbage when I sleep over in here. And that's what it looks like, guys. There's the original floor, and there's the spray foam that sealed that. So cool. So I'll bring you over here with me. We'll get rid of these pop bottles. Hide them as best I can, or I'll put them in the sink actually. Take these damn caps off. Yeah, you can hear the pressure when I release them. Yeah, somebody likes drinking cola around here. Anybody guess who that is? Well, it is technically a drug since they did that study where it's got the same effects as cocaine on the brain. I have the cooking oil in here as well. As you can see me knocking it over. And I'm just going to throw these in here for now. Don't really have another space to put it yet until we get this storage wall done up right. And my guess is if I put those sheets up vertically, I won't have to cut a door frame in. What do you guys think? So I got the two sheets back here against the left here. If I measure 8 feet across, which will give me the measurement, which I need to go grab a tape measure and do that. I will grab one. Alrighty. So, we got this has nothing to really hook on to, so it's going to be a bitch. 5 feet. Oh shit. I may have to cut it. I'll do it off the floor if I can. A lot easier. 4, 7. Oh boy. So it's 7.5. So I will have to cut it. 7.5 across there, guys. So if I take out this baby stud, I think I should be good. Actually, you know what I'll do? Let me hold up, before I unscrew everything, let me put these damn plywood sheets in place and see what they look like vertically. Damn it. Stay put. Stay. Stay. Okay, yep, the measurement's right. It covers the entire wall, so I will have to cut it. Fortunately, this side is, here, we'll get the camera. So, as you can see, 2 verticals covers that whole wall via measurement. So, this piece is nasty. It's got some nasty edges on the bottom. I can either eliminate that one or the unpainted part. Probably a combo of both. But I'll get to that when I get to that, guys. Believe it or not, I'm not gonna screw with that right now.